So moving away from sine and moving into cosine, we need to define the initial graph of cosine. So that would be y equals cos x. Again, we'll adjust the scale. Cosine again has 5 important points, and cosine is actually just a sine function that's been shifted by 90 degrees. So the first point on cosine is actually at 0, 1. Then we have a point at 90, 0, 180, negative 1, 270, 0, and 360, 1. So it has the same basic shape as a sine function, it's just been shifted like so. Now, in the question, we're actually being asked to do 2 separate transformations. We need to deal with those separately one by one. So the first one we'll deal with is the negative 3. So what that will give us in the end is negative 3 cos x. That negative 3 is a vertical stretch, so all the vertical points get multiplied by negative 3. First point was at 1, it goes to negative 3. Second point at 0 will stay. The point at negative 1 goes to 3. Next point at 0 stays. And the last point at 1 again goes to negative 3. Connect them, ignoring the bad drawing skills that I have. It would look something like that. Second transformation in this chain is the 2. So in the end, when we do this in yellow, we'll get negative 3 cos 2x. It's a horizontal stretch, so all the points horizontally get multiplied by 2. First point's at 0, it will stay. Second point's at 90, divided by 2 goes to 45. Point at 180 divided by 2 goes to 90. 270 divided by 2 goes to 135. And 360 divided by 2 goes to 180. And then connect. Amplitude for this function, we need to look at a again. A is negative 3, but amplitude is always defined as a positive, so amplitude is 3. Period. 360 divided by b, so 360 divided by 2 makes 180 degrees. The maximum and minimum values, well, the maximum is just the highest point that this function reaches, so that would be 3. Minimum, lowest point the function reaches, negative 3.